we usually think that we all are, separate in this universe. Like we think that, even in humans, we think that, these particular type of humans are different from these particular type of humans. Like suppose we differentiate at the basis of color. Like we differentiate sometimes that these are the particular type of people and these are the particular type of, or we differentiate at the level of height or weight, whatever. And then we differentiate like male or female. Okay, they are different, I know, but we differentiate too much. Like we think that there are no similarities, and when we come on the animal, we think that they are, too separate from us humans. And like also with birds, and there are too many living species on this earth. I'm just talking about on this earth. Suppose how many will be in universe. Let's only talk about this earth. How many people are, how many living things, living species on this earth, and we differentiate on basis of whatever we think is right, or some quality we care about and we differentiate on the basis of that. We differentiate, but at the level of pure scientific mind, or at the level of pure spiritual soul, we can easily see that and understand that we all are similar. How? Our body is made of carbon, calcium, phosphorus, and too many ingredients. And same goes with birds. Their bones are made with phosphorus and too many things. And same ingredients which star are made of, we are made of. Same. We are living things, humans, living species, and birds are living species, animal are living species. We can easily see that we all are connected by a string of life. We all are living things. So we all are similar. We all have geometry because we are all are physical form of life. Like our eyes, it's kind of elliptical. Our finger, it's kind of cylindrical, approximately symmetrical. Same goes with everything in our body. It follows certain geometry. Same in plants, same in birds, same in animals. They all have some geometry. We all are connected by same bond. We all are similar. We are made of the ingredients, all life in universe, which are common. It can be possible that some living species have some quantity more than us, or we have some quantity more than us of any element, but we share a bond. We share some element. We all are living things that we all are living things. Can you understand that deep side of that? We all are living things. We all are similar. There is a unity in universe. There is a beautiful unity in universe. Okay, plants are made of elements. Planets are made of elements. And there are many things made of elements. And these are the elements which also exist in us. We are made of that planet, but it is pure. It's pure. Nature is made of element, and we are made of the same element. It is pure. We are one with nature. We are one with universe. And there is deep unity in universe. We are not separated. Birds, plants, animal, we are not separated. We are one. We are unity. We are connected by a string of life. We all living species are connected by a string of life. All. There is a beautiful unity in universe. Beautiful unity.